current source inverter. Okay, current source inverter, it's a, I will going to tell about, just you will going to draw the voltage source inverter, and here you will going to put the inductance, just you will going to put the inductance, you will going to get the current source inverter, that's all. Okay, current source inverter. Okay, but in your on the studied about theoretically you have studied what you have studied, you will going to use for the capacitive load, especially for current source inverter capacitive load is used, and inductive load for that voltage source inverter, that is a purpose if they are going to develop. Okay, coming to that one, as this is the simplest diagram. Okay, as usual, voltage source inverter, one inductance is connected. So if I have see, I have connected one resistance seriously, the resistance is very less. Okay, then I have gave for that Henry, and here you have see that one, I gave for that pulse width modulations, left slash and right slash, I will going to trigger through that pulse width as usual, 0 to 180, 0 to 180 and 180 to 360. So I gave for that one. Okay, 180 to 360. Okay, so if I have yes, see, this is a waveform. What is a waveform is coming, this type of another one is this pulse also. We mean the PW method also. There are four major methods I taught you, that is called a single pulse, multiple pulse, and sinusoidal pulse, modified sinusoidal pulse, like it is that. And in that one also further divided into two method, that is called unipolar, bipolar. Unipolar means what, bipolar means what, I will tell you. Bipolar, first I will tell you, bipolar is nothing but this is a bipolar pulsating, this type of pulsating is called a bipolar, this is called a pulse, this type of that one. Unipolar is nothing but this is a unipolar, unipolar is this one, bipolar is that one. Okay, this is called about unipolar and bipolar, everything it is developed about PWM technique, next video we'll going to see. Okay, first I will going to complete about that. Here is a current source inverter. So once I have connected, so what it will happen, it will going to this type of things, it will go to more number of pulses it is used to, they will go to connect it, that's all. More number of pulses it is used to, they will going to join easily, that's all. This is about the current source inverter, and they will go into one more circuit diagram for current source inverter. This is a one more circuit diagram for the current source inverter, as similar to that one is a two leg number one, leg number two. Okay, there are two mode of operation, mode one left slash, mode two right slash. Left slash 0 to 180, right slash is a 180 to 360 degree, that's all. Okay, so here if I have see that one, I have used a series with that diode and capacitance, like I have connected the devices. So this is called a unipolar type of the development. Okay, unipolar type of the development. Okay, that's all. Yeah, the circuit diagram. See, this is a called a bipolar PWM techniques. Okay, this is called a bipolar. So this is a unipolar development of unipolar pulse. Last pulse is a open loop pulse, that is called a direct ready-made set. Ready-made set I have there, no, not need to kind of stitching. But here is you are going to stitching based on your size. Sir, I want to even so many style is coming. So based on your styles, your set design you will going to change. I want to tight on the my shoulder, and after that I want to okay, this much of the loose on the my hand side. So I need for that a full hand, I need for that a half hand. So everything you will going to tell into that this PWM method. The PWM they will going to take care. So that is called, this is a method. Okay, this is a, what is this two circuit diagram? You have see that one only one sine waveform. Here is a two sine waveform I gave. So 0, this is a 180 degree phase shift I gave for that one, and this is a method, and this is a comparator. It will learn to comparing with that one, whatever that one they will going to compare with the two. One is a carrier waveform, another one is a sine waveform. So what is this one? Sine PWM, sine PWM. So they will going to compare. I will go to comparison and then produce the waveform. Okay, that's all. So here it is a 0 to it's a output waveform is only one waveform is coming. Okay, only one waveform is coming. Then NOT gate is used. That's why it is a 180 degree phase shift. Okay, 180 degree phase shift. Okay, see that one. So here is a unipolar type of the waveform is produced. That's all. This is a bipolar. So bipolar waveform is produced. So that's all about that one, current source inverter. Current source inverter.